Visit Node.js.org in your web browser. Click on Download. Click on Windows Installer. Wait for the download of Windows Installer file to complete. Open the downloaded installer file and double-click on the file to start the installation of Node.js. Installation of Node.js is completed. To verify whether Node.js installation was successful, open Command Prompt, execute node-v command. Node-v command prints the currently installed version of Node.js. Execute npm-v command. npm-v command prints the currently installed version of npm, Node Package Manager. Congratulations, we have successfully installed Node.js in our Windows machine. Now, let's install Oracle Jet. Open Command Prompt, execute npm install-g at oracle/ojet-cli command to install Oracle Jet. Command execution is completed. Congratulations! We have successfully installed Oracle Jet. Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.